So I've been doing a trade on Binance that really worked out for me. So a few days ago, I had a trade on Binance here, considering price action and smart money concepts. Some of the smart money concepts. So I made some profits yesterday, which I will later show you at the end of this video on my phone. So how do I analyze my market? But before we get to that, I want to show you guys like. So this was yesterday where I took my trade, where I took my trade, and the trade ran till the end of this, which in all honesty I left on time. So it was a massive profit, though I traded with a small account of though I traded with a small account of $10 on Binance futures because I've been trading Binance futures and I really love it because I'm kind of gaining so many experiences from these trades. So this was how I took it. So first I acknowledged this trade. I marked out my trend line. So and I marked this as my 1 hour time frame. So I acknowledge this. I was the one that marked this out because these ones I marked are bigger time frame. So this one are just smaller time frame where I marked out believing that the market will reflect. So I had this as another block. Let me show you guys. So I had this as my other block, which I was actually expecting the market to tap into the other block. And to be honest, the market played out perfectly. So what happened? I waited for a reversal, and the reversal happened, and I took my trade exactly here on this hammer candlestick. I took my trade here. If you are watching closely, you will see what I'm showing you. And boom, the trade went and hit perfectly on our bigger time frame. So watching this video now, I will show you every details. I will analyze everything on how I do my setups in preparation for my trades. Because right now I'm waiting for this trade to tap on this. You understand? Which I believe is this other block. So I'm waiting for my trade to tap on this, which I believe is this other block. So apparently this trade will come in to this place. This trade will come into this place, tap in here small, tap in here small, and take us to the moon. Or in a case scenario, the trade might break out and continue. Nobody can tell. But whatever happens, this is a bigger time frame zone. So I know that if this market ends up coming back to the direction we are waiting for, apparently we are waiting to take a trade depending on the direction. If it taps in here and reverses, that means you are going on another journey. But if it taps in here, and if it breaks this trend line, which is this other block, and start coming down, that means you are taking a different trade. So as you can see, I've been trading using both SMC and price action. Right from day one, I started my trading in 2020, and I have been trading with price action from time memorial. So I just introduced SMC to this, and to be honest, this is marvelous. I really love it. So let me show you my setup. So how do I do my setup? Because I trade on 1 hour time frames, every day I wake up, I come to my daily time frame, and I map out I map out my higher highs and higher lows. I map out my higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, this is my higher high where the market tapped, and this is my higher lows where the market tapped twice for the day. You understand? Because this is just like the supply, and this is just like supply, and this is just like the resistance. So, or demand, as you may call it. So that's just it. So whenever I do the markout, then because I trade on a daily, actually, so I will now have to come back on my 1 hour time frame, reload to get the bigger picture. I will now have to come back on my 1 hour time frame, sorry. And before I zoom, I'll have to mark, depending on where I'm looking for the trade, I'll have to mark up my trend line. When I'm done marking out my trend line, then I will mark my other blocks. I'll mark my other blocks. I'll mark, but I don't really mark every other block, other blocks. I specifically mark other blocks that fall in within my expectation. Every other blocks, even if the market will reverse there, I ignore them and I move away. So I mark out these other blocks like this. I mark out this kind of other blocks because I know trade might fall in here. Let me delete all this. So that's why I do mark out these other blocks. Then I mark out this other block. See this other block? I mark it out. Let me take this to that place. I mark out this other block. Even truly, I know the market can still break even and move down. But why I'm not expecting to take a trade here, but why I'm marking out this other block is in case I see something, I see something good, I see a good trade, a good reversal, I'll take my trade. So in my next video, I'll show you guys, because I want to like prepare. This is just like an introductory video, so I want to really make a good video showing you the candlestick patterns I use to enter my trade, what I see before I execute a trade, because I don't just wait for the market to come to the supply zone and I just execute trade. No, 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 it's very wrong, because if you do so, the market will always take you out. So there are candlestick patterns I see. So whenever I see those candlestick pattern play, I will take my trades, and boom, I'm in profit. And how I secure my loss, how I calculate my loss size. So check out, subscribe, like, and put up the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video, you will practically get what I'm talking, because in the next video, I'm coming with loads and loads and loads of things I have seen trading for 4 years on crypto markets. I trade Forex actually, but I really love crypto. Why? Is because I can easily trade crypto even with the smallest amount of money. Like maybe when I had to withdraw money and I want to play around with some small amount of money, I do trade crypto. So I believe it's perfect for me. I don't know if you guys understand this video, but in your if I should get your comment below, I will know if you guys understand this video. Then I will know whether to make preparation for a fresh video for you guys, because I had loads and loads of things I've learned in this trade coming that had made me good profits. That had made me good profits. So guys, remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get this content. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.